In the previous lesson, you have seen how the attribute method works. We have a selector, we have the attribute action, we have the attribute, and a new value. So this code will set the ID of new ID to the h2. So let's start this lesson with an exercise. Can you change an image on your page for a different image using the attribute method? Now pause the video and give that a go. Alright, did you get that? I will change this image over here to this image of the elephant which we have on our top 3 animals page. So in order to change the image, we first need a selector. So we have the image, and let's use this class. Let's copy it. And you have the image. We need the attribute method, and the attribute which we have to change is the source, src. So let's try that out. You change the source, comma, let's do this. And now here, we need the source of the new image. So let's check it out. You have the elephant image over here, and we can simply copy this source and paste it right here. Let's hit enter. And there we go. Now we can simply copy this code. Used in our testing tool, we need VWO underscore. Let's paste it. Save all variations. Check out the preview mode. And it works here as well. So with the attribute method, you can change any HTML attribute you like. If you go back to the examples page, we could, for instance, change the placeholder of this email field over here. Let's give that a try. Let's clear this. Again, we need the $sign. You want the input with the type is email selector, and want to change the attribute. Now let's check it out. Let's select it. There we have the input with the type of email. That's our selector. And we want to change the placeholder attribute. So placeholder. And let's set it to my email. And there we go. This placeholder has now been changed. So again, we need the selector, the attribute method, the attribute, and a new value. Now another example, we can change the URL of all the anchor tags on this page. So you need a selector, we simply need the anchor tag, attribute method, and we want to change the href to, let's say, Google. Now if we check out the code, here we have an anchor tag. This now goes to google.com instead of Wikipedia. And like we've seen before, we can also get the value using jQuery. So let's give that a try. Let's get rid of this. Let's get the whale section anchor tag. Let's get the attribute. And I want to see the href attribute, which should be Google, since we changed all the anchor tags to go to Google. And there we have it. So by only stating the attribute, the value shows up in our developer tools.